Don't change the channel. I'm glad you're here. Okay, let me tell you about a little something called AP Seminar. Let's welcome in our experts.
Hi, my name's Blake and I'm your Task 1 Efficient Taco. Task 1 is the deceptively easy portion of the test, and it consists of the TMP and the IRR.
Hi there, I'm your Task 2 Efficient Kava. And I'll teach you how to get through this without punching a wall.
Hey there, I'm the EOC, a sneeze and a cough go. You're going to forget about me until the last minute, but I'll still be here.
And we're here to save the bees!
Don't worry, you'll get it when Miss Warren shows you the example videos.
The AP test is split into different parts, and we'll be learning about them today. So let's go!
Task 1 consists of the IRR and TMP. So here are some helpful tips to get you started off so you can have a good school year. And trust me, I survived it. Be sure to pick a topic that everyone in your group likes. For ours, we picked the legalization of marijuana because we found it interesting and it also had a lot of pre-existing research. It's important to stay hydrated. It reduces stress. For the next part, you got to choose your research lenses. It's important to choose the right research lens for your members of the group. For ours, we gave Adrian the scientific lens because it's a little easier. The final part of the IRR is to actually write the essay. Remember, to refer to the rubric as much as you need. Next up is the TMP. This is where you combine all your group's research into a PowerPoint. This should not be put off until the last minute, and it's very important. Pro tip. Split up your group and do what you're good at. Cater to your individual skills. And remember to rehearse.
Thanks for some great insight on this first topic. Now let's move on to Trent for Task 2.
You start out this task by reading the stimulus materials. The stimulus materials are a bunch of articles that all have a common theme. You have to pick a topic that relates to at least 2 of them. IWA is a 2,000-word written argument about the topic you choose. Next, you have your IMP, which is basically the same thing as an IWA, but as a presentation. It's a 6 to 8 minute presentation that you do on your own that covers your topic and your argument. To use your time most efficiently, use information from your IWA on your presentation. Don't be an idiot and start finding new sources, or you'll end up crying, like my friend Blake. Remember to start memorizing your presentation early. You can use note cards, but if you rely on them too much, you'll get points off.
Thanks, Trent, for making everyone want to quit this class. But don't worry, it gets better. Now here's Athena with some information on EOC.
Hey guys, did you forget about me? It's okay, so did my parents. Well, it's time to get prepared for your EOC. Don't worry, it's what you've been preparing for all year. The EOC has 2 parts, Part A and Part B, and you have 2 hours to take the test. In Part A, you'll get a passage to read and 3 questions. These questions ask about the author's main idea, their line of reasoning, and their use of evidence. You should only take 30 minutes on this part. In Part B, you'll get 4 sources. You'll use these 4 sources to write an argument, kind of like a mini IWA. This could take the other hour and a half of the test. The best way to succeed is to get a good night's rest the night before. Always take the practice ones in class seriously. And remember to review the rubric.
Awesome. Now here's me with some challenges that you might encounter while you take this class, and also what we would do differently if we were to take it again. Now for an AP Seminar lightning round.
First of all, don't get too stressed out about the word count. If you get enough sources, you'll reach your goal a lot easier. Another challenge is working with people who don't do their work. But if you tell Miss Warren, she'll solve it quicker than Thanos can snap.
Miss Warren, I don't feel so good.
Something else that can be very hard is coming up with ideas. But if you talk to the class and collaborate, you can find a research question a lot easier. And now, here are some things we would do differently.
First off, don't procrastinate on your IWA. If you do, you'll end up like this. If you don't procrastinate, you'll end up like this. Something else we would do is take peer editing a lot more seriously. It can really help. And now for some things you should and should not do to be successful. These are things you should not do. Procrastinate, goof off during class, and pester Miss Warren. And these are things you should do. Complete work on time, compromise on ideas. Always do preliminary research when choosing your topics. And always be nice to Miss Warren.